Okay, Susie, what's it doing right now?
It's so chilly up here. Here, that wind is blowing my hair, and that rain is going to get it all messed up.
It's raining, huh?
I think it quit.
No, I feel some drops. Here, let me show everybody it is raining.
Oh, I felt a drop, honey. I got a drop.
Okay,
Ooh, I'm
see?
getting lots of them now.
Yeah,
I'm getting soaking wet now.
Yep.
Ooh, I better go inside.
It is raining up here in Flagstaff right now. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we got rain. Pretty bad when Phoenix is 120 degrees and Flagstaff is 85 and raining. If anybody would like to come up here and join us, head on up here. It's actually starting to come down pretty good right now. I think I could sit out here all day. Susie, she's running in the house. Wow, I got a storm coming in.
I had to come in out of the rain. It's too cold.
Too cold? Listen to Susie. It's too cold, she says. Wow, really heavy wind. Well, we sure needed this up here in the mountains.